Mwikuirwo munene wa njuragano ya Samuel Mugoh Muvota uria warathirwo mwena wa Mirema kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kiumia kihituku niwe Karani Gachoki riu egukorwo akihingirwo thero-ini ya borithi ya Kasarani thiku 14 niguo kuhe ihinda maabitha borithi ihinda riiganu ria gwika uthuthuria wigie njuragano ino.
Pending the completion of the investigations, the respondent is informed of his right to legal representation.
Kuringana na afitha wa uthuthuria ruhonge-ini rwa DCI Karani ni marekuira Karani gukorwo niwe wari ndereba wa ngari iria yakuite mundurume uria wonekanire mbica-ini cia CCTV akiuma ngari-ini iyo na kuratha Mugoh muthenya barigici.
This crime was committed by more than 2 actors, Your Honor, in a getaway motor vehicle which the person who pulled the trigger used to flee the scene, Your Honor. The respondent before court is highly suspected to be the person who was behind the wheel.
Oho Lekakeni ni ugite ihinda-ini riu mahetwo ni igoti ria gutabania uthuthuria wao ni mekuhota kuhithuria mushinga uria wahuthikire njuragano-ini ino na uria marekuira gukorwo hithitwo ni Karani kuria megutwikania kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, Kiambu na Nakuru kuhithukia.
Where we believe the respondent has houses and we believe the firearm is hidden in one of the houses. The days that we request and the application we are making is for the interest of justice. The family of the deceased are still mourning, and when we wanted to record their statements, they were still traumatized.
Kuhana uguo Karani ndanetika thitango ya njuragano igoti-ini riri kuona niwe ureneanire wabici-ini cia DCI muthi wa ira. Cira wake ukagwetwo tariki 8 mweri ukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.